Top most expensive houses in the world. (18 to 19 Kensington Gardens, London). This house costs $128 million. The large house is located on Billionaires Row, one of London's prestigious areas. The house is owned by Chairman and CEO of the world's largest steel-making company. The house has 55 square feet of space and was built in the 19th century. Originally, two semi-detached homes were later converted into a single home. The house has 12 bedrooms, 20 parking spaces, and a pool. Palazzo di Amore. This house, located in Beverly Hills, California, has a value of $195 million. The property has approximately 53 square feet of space. The villa has 12 bedrooms, 23 bathrooms, swimming pools, theaters, and a 27-car garage. Ellison State, owned by Larry Ellison, a co-founder of Oracle. The house is worth $200 million. The 23-acre state has more than one dwelling. The state has 10 of them. Throughout the property, there are many expensive trees like maples and cherry blossoms. Fort Fairfield Pond is in New York City. The 63-acre home is worth $248 million and has 29 bedrooms, 39 bathrooms, and 91-foot dining room, as well as 3 swimming pools, a bowling alley, and sports courts. Due to the amount of power that the property uses, it has its own power plant. The home's garage can also hold around 100 cars. The Odeon Tower penthouse is estimated to be worth $330 million. The 35,000 square foot apartment sits at the top of one of the most expensive buildings in Monaco. The penthouse stretches over several floors, has a private elevator and a water slide with a 360 infinity pool. Les Palais Bullis is worth $390 million. The property was built between 1975 and 1989. It has 3 swimming pools and a 500-seat amphitheater. The property is now mainly used as a holiday home by its current owner. Villa Les Cedres is in France and worth $450 million and estimated to soon be worth around $500 million. The property is set on around 35 acres of land. The house has roughly 18,000 square feet and has 14 bedrooms, a stable that can house 30 horses, and an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Villa Leopolda is the third most expensive house in the world. It has 11 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, a helipad, and an outdoor swimming pool. It was also featured in the film To Catch a Thief. Antilia is in Mumbai, India, and is worth around $1 billion. Designed by Chicago-based architecture firm, it was built for India's richest man. The 400,000 square foot property sits in Mumbai's Kambaya Hill. It spreads across 27 floors. 6 floors of this are storage for cars. It has 9 elevators, 3 helipads, around 600 staff work at the building. Buckingham Place is worth around $2.9 million and the most expensive home in the world. It is owned by the British royal family and is in Westminster, London. Thanks for watching.